Did you know that 1 cup of cauliflower has just 25 calories but is packed with nutrients? Cauliflower tacos are a delicious and healthy alternative to traditional tacos that you can make in no time. Try this today. Take 1 medium head of cauliflower, cut it into small florets, and toss them with a tablespoon of olive oil, a teaspoon of cumin, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Roast them in the oven at 425 degrees for about 25 minutes until they're golden and crispy. Imagine biting into a taco filled with perfectly roasted cauliflower, topped with fresh avocado slices, crunchy cabbage, and zesty lime juice. This meal is not only satisfying but also loaded with fiber and vitamins, keeping you full and energized throughout your day. Plus, it's a fantastic way to sneak in more vegetables without sacrificing flavor. You can even customize your tacos with your favorite toppings, like salsa or cilantro, for an extra burst of taste. Would you try this? Share your own healthy food hacks, or let us know what toppings you'd add to these scrumptious cauliflower tacos. Enjoy a fun, plant-based twist on a classic favorite that everyone will love.